Ka timu te tai, ka pari te tai, ki te ao pakihi.
Things are pretty tough. I mean, like other tourism businesses around the country, we're on zero revenue and going to remain on zero revenue for the foreseeable future. So that's a pretty hard environment to be trying to navigate a business through.
I ruka i te takiwa o te haurua o te huka no kai kaura e mahi ana i te ao tāpoi, e ki ana te kai hautu o Whale Watch kai kaura a Kauahi Ngapora, he awhina atu anō te tahua a te kāwanataka ki te huka e tino raru ana.
So that tourism specific budget we hope will help alleviate some of that pain. What we also feel is that the government needs to engage directly with communities and businesses within those communities to try and come up with targeted interventions for those areas to help them get through. I mean, we're the view that a one-size-fits-all approach across New Zealand is just not going to work. What's going to work in Auckland is not going to work down here in Kaikoura.
Kua whiwhi nei te ao tāpoi i te whārau miriona tāra. Hei hoa haere ki te taha o te Wage Subsidy Scheme. Ko tēnei puna pūtea e tāna e ka Pakihi pēnei i a Whale Watch Kaikoura. E ki ana te minita tāpoi ara Kelvin Davis, katoa e nei tū tautoko ka noho i raro i te whakamarumaru o te Tourism Recovery Fund. E kotahi atu nei ki te ahumahi tāpoi.
I think that's what the package is trying to assist, is getting as many of those tourism businesses through the short term and as much as they can to protect some of the infrastructure there, to protect some of the people through an extension of the wage subsidy, but also to assist the operators and the businesses in the tourism industry to redirect their efforts.
E ai ki te tohuka mātai ohaka kia tākuta Ganesh Nana. Nā te aroka tara whare ki te tāpoi, ka mate ka Pākihi tāpoi ki te ruku i te puna whakaaro auaha kia putai o rātau ihu.
Well, definitely the next 12 months is going to be very, very tough. And it's without doubt, even under the best scenarios that we can think of. But after that, yes, there is a future for tourism. It's just going to be different.
It's going to take a while for tourism in New Zealand to recover. We're talking 12 to 18 months or longer, or even until they find a vaccine, which is going to take time. So it's going to be a long haul to get that whole industry back.
E tumanako tiana mā te ata whakapaupūtea ka tere te tū hauora mai anō o ka Pakihi. He nare te Aika Puanaki, Tahu News.